Let's eat, guys, while watching Xian Piano Salon latest music performance type. Okay, ito yung bagong video ni Ma'am Xian. Naka-loading pa konti. We're watching in my small television. Okay, while eating green mango with bagoong, shrimp paste with chili. We have corn, sweet corn. That's a banana, and then Pinoy cookies, sweet cookies. Okay, we are watching now the latest video of Ma'am Xian. Ito siya. Okay. Mamaya konti, balik yun. Kaya mo tayo ng mangga. Yun. Tapos na yata. Okay. Ito yung una. Okay. We have corn. Ano ba yan ba? Ito Pinoy cookie. It's ngayon sweet na naman to. Mayroong sugar oh. Kitang-kita. Ito. Sarap. Sweet plus sour plus salty. Yan. Yan, Ma'am Xian, no? I always watch Ma'am Xian's video. It's relaxing kasi yung video niya. Very relaxing sounds ba. This is the latest video of Ma'am Xian. Hindi ko na naman title, nakakalimutan ko tuloy na. I will check meron tayong cellphone. Check natin. Yan. Okay. Ito yung first shout out natin si Ma'am Xian. Was watching her video. Okay. Sarap ng mangga. Ito pala guys this is soy sauce with brown sugar. Ito talaga ang perfect combo is mango and bagoong. It's a shrimp paste with chili. Yeah. It's a chili. Oh. Maanghang yan. Kaya lang, right now I'm suffering from asthma. Kaya hindi mo na ako konti-konti lang. It's little of kuan lang. Yan. But I prepare soy sauce and sugar because I'm having an asthma attack already. I'm allergic to shrimp. Yeah. This one is prepared by my wife, but the one who requested that is my daughter. She loved mango and bagoong. Yeah. Yun ang video ni Ma'am Xian. Malapit nang matapos. Yan. Play tayo mamaya ng ibang video niya. Kain mo tayo. Let's eat muna guys. Ito siya. So, hanap tayo ng ibang video niya. Super ito. Mayroong lights yata against the light. Ito. Anyway, I'm preparing the video of Ma'am Shen. Super Trooper. From ABBA yata to. This is from ABBA. Yan. Super Trooper from ABBA. Cover by Ma'am Shen. Okay. Tamis to ito. Maya konti. Shout out tayo mga ito. Yun, ABBA. This is an bago na ito. ABBA from yan. ABBA. Super Trooper ABBA. ABBA. Ngayon nakamute lang siya dahil sa copyright. Ayaw natin makapiright. Pakita ko rin guys ang pakita rin natin ang as of kuan yung kita natin as of April 12 yan. Ito yung atin $32.82 as of April 12. Yan, 12. Okay. So thank you very much guys for supporting. Ito yung last. May deduction siyang taxes. So last month yan. So patuloy tayo sa pag-watch ng video ni Ma'am Shen. I will give you a link for this video. The latest and this one Super Trooper. Okay. Yan. Okay. Hapit na maubos ang mangga na ko. Very crunchy mango. So thank you for watching guys. May part 2 pa tayo.